Hi guys, so probably your laptop is heating up and you're wondering what's happening. And one of the main reasons why your laptops always heat up is because you see underneath here we have a ventilation slot that allows air to flow inside the machine, and with that air sometimes it carries dust and other materials that go and block your fan inside there. So it blocks the ventilation and that's why the laptops overheat. Now how do you solve that? You can do this on your own at home. You just have to have these two important equipments. This is the screwdriver and you have to have your brush, even an old brush. You can just trace out your old brush and make it helpful at least for once. Now first of all, remove the bottom cover. There's another video that I've done separately to remove the bottom cover, and once you've done removing the bottom cover, ensure you open all the screws because it's normally important. Don't force anything, don't break apart any joint or hinges on the bottom cover of the laptop. Now once you've removed it like this, it's done. We have it out. Step 2, before you clean the fan, we have the fan here. Ensure that you unplug this cable that connects the battery to the motherboard so that you don't short circuit anything on the motherboard. So you remove it back just by pushing back these clips here like this. Let me just do this process now. You pull it back like that, and then after I'm done with that, now we have our fan. So you see our fan is a bit dirty, and it is so dusty, and that means our laptop was overheating and the cooling was not that efficient. So here now what you do, you use your screwdriver and your brush both at the same time. I'll have to do this now. So use your screwdriver to hold the fins of that fan like that, and then you use the other hand and the brush to brush this particular fan like that so that you remove the dust. Yeah, so you hold it in place, you brush, you wind it a bit, brush, do the same process, brush, the same process, you brush. See, so just ensure that you brush it up and it's now clean. And then after that, if you don't have a blower, this one might maybe affect you due to dust, but you can just physically blow it with your own mouth. You can just use your mouth to blow away the dust like this. So you see, it might not be quite effective, but at least it's working. But just be gentle with it until the fan is clean. And then for you to know that now it's all clean up, you can peep through here and see if you can see where the fan is. You can see the fan here, so you peep through here and look at the fan. If you can see through there, then it means now you've unclogged the dust that had settled here where we have the fin. So it means the ventilation is now sufficient. I don't know if this can be visible. Let me just try to show you now that mine is now clean. I don't know. Yeah, you can see through the fan. You see the blue part? Yeah, so it means at least now you can see my hand down there. It means the fan is just clean. And ensure you don't mess up with this heatsink. It's so crucial. If you mess up with it, then cooling will not happen properly. After that, as usual, put everything back in place, your battery back in place, and connect it, and then seal the laptop. I hope that video worked out for you guys, and I hope you find it useful. If not, if yes, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a like on this particular video. See you next time on another one just like this. Big up.